Hi everyone, this is Brad from Bair's Indian Motorcycle in North Canton, Ohio. Just very excited. We got to just see a video of the third launch of the 2019 Indian model lineup. They kind of broke it up this year and gave us the Scouts, and then they gave us some of the baggers, and then we just got to see the whole Chieftain lineup. And boy, we're really excited. We've watched the Indian lineup evolve. When you think of how much they've done in such a short amount of time, it's just really exciting. And this last launch today, we're really excited. Great news, we're going to have the Indian demo event this Friday and Saturday. We're going to have the 2019, so literally the last of the launch today, we're going to have them here for you guys to ride Friday and Saturday. So hopefully weather works out for us. You guys come on out and we'll show you the new product and get some riding on it. The new model, just really excited with the Chieftain lineup, with the new fairing. Obviously what we've had has been good, but it's been very polarizing. A lot of people either loved it or hated it, and it just wasn't for them. So having two different style fairing bikes now is definitely going to appeal to more people, broader range. The changes on the Roadmasters, giving the more vents, more air across the rider, having the deactivation on the rear cylinder. We're just excited about the upgrades that we've seen in the model. So again, very excited with the lineup that Indian has shown us for this year. Come on out this Friday and Saturday. You're going to get to see them, ride them, and we hope to see you. Thanks. Have a great day.